Jordanstown station of crossing in Newtownabbey, Jordanstown. The town of West 1542, and this is for your 1546. Northern Ireland serves from what had the Street and Carrick and Lauren. Yeah, it's that little wee thing, but there's like the one that makes the not with the two of them, but the one right there when we get at the crossing Fells. The wee hot finish not open. Yeah, so back in the past, Jordanstown, this level crossing right here, which that's actually, so that's Jordanstown right there, and way in the past, this used to be in the HB, 2 bar, and that's what the trains used to be like. So that must have been back in the 19s, could have been the 1920s or whatever. So that was where in the past that was the older HB Jordanstown level crossing. Another something like with the Glen Damhead, South Maze and Le Shoe and Drummond and Zaza. Another train coming if lights continue to show. And then there's Inky crossing Clarestown and it's Halton. Yeah, so this crossing here used to be an HB, but then that must have been upgraded at that time, so as an HB, so as an HB to MCB, so it's not an MCB now. Since we're in 2021, it's no longer 19 something, probably 1927. 927. Why on earth do I have to get voice cracks all the time? Who cares? Oh well. Crocodile and dog, Mary. The person went down pretty early, so it went down 3 minutes early, so I don't know why. I guess it's manual when it goes in there, whenever the guy controls it in there, and I guess it's automatic when it's what you call when nobody's in there. $15.45. It should be coming right soon. It went down pretty early, so it did. I see a train coming. Oh no, that's just a sign I don't like with that. That's always been there. There it is. Rovers and Calv. Free wasn't actually. Rizzo 2-3. Rizzo 2-3. Rizzo 2-3. Rizzo 2-3 the grip to Wall Street. And up I go. Looks like those 9 went green now. So, seems that the 39 to Lawn Harbour is cancelled, so if we get out of the car park, then because it might go up again. So if it does, anyways, thank you guys, I'll see you next video. For goodness sake, the train just came so late and I was at the car park. That's it, no, it's just gone green. Alright, that's the conclusion of late start of Jordanstown station. I've got any number, got joined the town, it was 15:45. And this is for here, 15:39 delayed. 누군 알아서 I'm from. 그런 거 도시다. Non harbor. Don't know what to cut that train so long. Oh well. He's just here now. It's people's in cars up then. Yeah, he doesn't have.
Hello, boy.
Hello.
What's your name? Taylor Dumpinger. Taylor. Taylor, you're big.
No. Didn't really want to say what my name is. What's Jack? What my name is? Like, hello, boy. What's your name? And I said, don't be weird. She was kind of weird anyway. Oh, anyways, enough of that. Just continue on. 011 is the train. I guess she was only being friendly though. Apparently, it was. Busy one on the Larn Harbor. Busy one on the Larn Harbor. No, you better mine out, brother. Mine out. From the buyers. Seems that Zeta and Alarm is much louder, not when it's a little quieter. So, guys, see you next video.